Hi, I'm Damien from Computer Shak. Are you a computer enthusiast and like to do your own upgrades? Well, before you run out and buy the brand new video card, let's discuss power consumption. So, you're looking in the store for a new video card to play all the new titles. You look up reviews, benchmarks, and prices, and then you finally come to your conclusion. After installing the new card, you notice the machine shutting off in mid-game, or the entire computer itself doesn't even start anymore. We all get so caught up into what's the best video card, we forget about power consumption. For instance, take consideration into this Superclock GTX 1070. It states right here on the bottom of the box it requires a minimum of a 500 watt power supply to function properly. Now, before you run out and go buy one, keep in mind of all your other components. Your motherboard, your hard drive, optical drive, CPU, everything in there draws power and it needs it to function properly. So what I typically tend to do is I'll add an extra 250 to 300 watts to the recommended power consumption. That way I can make sure I have enough to play all of my games and to do my normal computing tasks. A lot of times I see people trying to use splitters or adapters on their old power supplies to try to make it work. Let me show you an example. So here we have an old 250 watt power supply, and over here we have a dual Molex to 6 pin along with another dual Molex to 6 pin all the way to an 8 pin. Now, this is something I never recommend, as seeing as your old power supply didn't come with these connections to begin with, so it's uncertain if it can even produce that right amount of power. This is also a safety concern, as it can cause electrical fires and other damages, like to the brand new $500 video card you just put in. On the lower end of the scale, it could kill this old power supply too, so it means it's going to have to be replaced anyway. So don't cheap out on your upgrade and do it right the first time. That way you're not stuck spending more money on repairs. Another thing to look for in a power supply is to maybe consider spending just a little more to get a modular power supply. Now, the difference between a modular power supply and a standard is that all of the cables are plugged in as you use them. So you're not using every single cable, you set the others off to the side. This gives it more airflow because no wires are constructing the view of the vents, which makes everything inside a lot cooler. Along with keeping everything cooler, it also gives it a nicer, cleaner look. Also keep in mind of power ratings like 80 plus bronze, silver, gold, or platinum, meaning the higher the rating, the cleaner and more efficient the power delivery is. Think of it as a seal of quality. If you're looking for upgrades or advice about what's the best and newest tech, stop by and ask any of us. We always stay up to date with current technology. We hope you have found our video helpful. If you have any questions, leave a comment below or head to our website in the description box. Please be sure to like and subscribe, and remember, we build the best and repair the rest. Thank you.